mention it to her, or she might turn you into a scarecrow, or a winged monkey, or something else unnatural. Anyways, she tried to have me killed. But that didn't work out so well for her. So now I'm on the run, an outlaw to society.
Oh, that's too bad.
So, how about you? Where do you hail?
I don't hail from anywhere really, just a wandering little girl without a home.
Well, that makes the two of us then. Sounds like we're a couple. Wow, that is good, but I feel awfully tired all of a sudden. I'm so sorry. Take a seat. Make yourself at home. I'm just gonna go lie down for